Learn about the SII Virtual Assistant. It's a tool designed to help you resolve your queries about SII tax matters in a personalized way. You will find it on the Tax Agency e-Office within the SII Virtual Assistance tools alongside the deadline calculator. To start with, here are some frequently asked questions. Simply select one to view the answer and related information. If your question is different, please type it below. The assistant may ask you for further information. Simply tick the options that apply to your situation to receive a personalized response. Some responses will include additional information and related links. Is this the information you needed? If you select Yes, you can request a PDF copy of the conversation. Identify yourself with CLAVE, electronic certificate, or EIDAS, and provide us with an email address. If this isn't the answer you needed, or you'd like further personalized information, access the chat with a specialist from the Integrated Digital Administration or visit Informa Plus. Finally, we'd appreciate it if you could rate our service.